Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the classic event in Fish It game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. In the latest update, you will be able to join the classic event, which can give you rewards. And I have already completed my daily quest, but it can't be resetted. Okay, it says completed, but it's not resetted, and I'm going to show you how we can reset the daily quest in the classic event. If you want to reset the classic event, you need to join the private server guys. This is public server, so I'm going to leave the game first. Okay, I'm going to leave and I'm going to join the private server. Okay, for the private server, you can click on this icon and then click on create private server. Okay, and you can use your own private server or you can join other players' private server. I'm just going to use my own private server. Oops, sorry guys. It's error, and let me reset my Roblox first. Okay, I have already joined my private server, my own private server, and I'm going to check the classic event. Okay, and as you can see guys, that it has been resetted. I need to sell 300 fish and then catch 2 friendly lobster, catch 1-sided jellyfish. Okay, and that's how we can reset the classic event and Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!